The big Buffalo Bill puzzle is being put together now in record time by Kate and Hannah. They're trying to beat the world's record. Whatever it is now will be the world's record because it's the first time. This puzzle came all the way from France. It was a poster that was out in front of the Disneyland Hotel, whatever corner it might be. Let's see, that's got to be one of two corners. You're doing great. This is excellent. Yeah, all the straight edges.
I think I'm gonna have a broken back. You got it. Here with Uncle Jim over here, and I think the Indian goes over here. Yeah.
What a beautiful job. I've got it in a little movie form here. That's excellent. I'll move in close. Ta-da. Yeah, shot.
Indian